For the battle is not yours, but God's. You've been fighting this thing. You've been trying in the natural. You've tried doctors. You've tried pills. You've tried counseling. You've tried therapy, and it's not done you any good. I'm here to tell you, try God today, because God's word never fails. He said, I'm not a man that I should lie. I'm not a man that I would change my mind concerning you. My thoughts towards you remain the same. Thoughts for good, thoughts for prosperity, thoughts to give you a future and a hope. For I did send my word to heal you and deliver you from all your destruction. The Bible doesn't say many are the afflictions of the righteous and then end there. Yes, many are the afflictions of the righteous. The devil will try to come against you, but the Bible goes on to say, but the Lord delivers them out of them all. That means there's no affliction, there's no battle I can't lose, there's no battle I can't win.